Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness put in some state of emergency in a several police division across the island. The Carnival Corporation Emerald Princess dock at the Falmouth pier yesterday. The Jubilee and Stony Hill market them we are fixed up right now I go up my back by the end of next year February. One district constable gets shot and dead in a Mona St. Andrew Saturday night. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness put in some state of emergency in a several police division across the island. Him said this yesterday morning at Jamaica House. Him put the state of emergency in a St. James, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. Andrew South, Kingston West, Kingston Central and the Kingston East Police Division them. According to the Prime Minister, him have put in the state of emergency because murder gone up in all of them division, yeah. Right now, Jamaica them amongst the 5 countries with the highest murder rate in the world. The Carnival Corporation Emerald Princess docked at the Falmouth pier yesterday. This is the first ship for come back at Chilani since ship tap come 17 months back because of the coronavirus. The ship come with more than 3,500 people. The people them on the ship have to follow all of the corona things them with the Ministry for Health and Wellness put in, but them can go certain place like at the country new Falmouth Artisan Village will cost 700 million for makeup. Although lesser people are travel because of the coronavirus, the cruise ship sector a pick up strong in Jamaica. The Jubilee and Stony Hill market them we are fixed up right now I go open back by the end of next year February. According to Delroy Williams, who are the mayor for Kingston and St. Andrew, them spend $50 million for fix up the 2 market them. Him said the Jubilee market where the downtown the 80% for done and the Stony Hill market where they in the St. Andrew are just the bathroom them for done. Him say when the market them open back up, this will help the municipal corporation with the people them who are sell pan the roadside pan West Street, West Queen Street and some part of Orange Street. Mr. Williams did a talk at the council meeting what keep at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. One district constable gets shot and dead in a Mona St. Andrew Saturday night. The dead officer at Okina Arton, who did a work at the detention and courts unit in a Kingston. The officer get found dead from Buttercup Drive in a Mona Road around 9:30 Saturday night. The upper part of him body did shut up and him drop over him steering wheel. The police said them not know what caused the killing yet. 2 people, one of them a one artist, get shot and dead yesterday morning after a gunman did a bust some shot off of them one another in a some part of Savlemar, Westmoreland. The people them are dead, a 41 years old Akeem Bradbury, who people call Paparazzi, or one artist, and 30 years old Andrika Smith. The 2 of them come from Rickett Street in a Savlemar. According to the police report, little after 7:30 in the morning, some man with big gun come in a Rickett Street and bust up all heap of gunshot. Bradbury did a drive him car and them start bust shot off of him and him jump out of him car and them run him down and kill him on the spot. Now for sports, Australia win them first T20 World Cup title after them beat New Zealand. New Zealand did bat first and they make 172 runs and lose 4 wickets. Australia bat off the runs with 7 balls left. David Warner, who played for Australia, get player of the tournament after him scored 289 runs. This is the second highest in a one World Cup. People, I just remember on the curfew, I run from 8 p.m. tonight and done 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.